Front lever, hollow body, eccentric pulls. If you're an adult gymnastics skill seeker who wants to unlock the front lever on gymnastics rings, chances are you're going to need to train eccentric front lever pulls. Eccentrics are an incredible tool for building strength in any movement. In this video, we'll use them in the full hollow body front lever. Start by setting the rings to a height that allows you to hang from the rings in a hollow body shape with your feet off the floor. From the hang, tuck up to inverted. Once inverted, move the body into a hollow body shape with the inside edge of the feet pressed together, the legs straight, the glutes contracted, a strong posterior pelvic tilt, a PPT, and the rib cage pulled down with the abs contracted. During the eccentric phase of the front lever, the arms must remain straight. To do this, you need to contract your triceps. While inverted, contract your lat muscles by squeezing your triceps into your lats. Imagine you're holding a pencil under each armpit and you're not allowed to drop it. Next, slowly start to rotate the body around the rings. The shoulders must move back and up as the legs move forward and down. It's a game of counterbalance. Focus on contracting the lats and triceps as you push down on the rings nice and hard and fight to keep the rings as close to your hips as possible. The goal is to move nice and slow and resist gravity as much as possible. The closer you get to the front lever position, torso parallel to the floor, the longer the lever becomes and the harder it will be to maintain control. Keep the arms straight and do not pike at the hips as you lower all the way down to the dead hang position. That's one rep. Performing sets of 2 to 3 reps, moving as slow as possible during the eccentric, is a good starting place for those who are ready to start training this movement. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.